In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Google Drive folder. To get started, open Google Drive and go to your Google Drive homepage. This is where you'll see your files, folders, and the navigation panel on the left. If the folder you want to copy is stored in your drive, this is the best place to begin. Before we jump in, it's important to understand one key detail. Google Drive does not offer a built-in option to directly duplicate an entire folder. So if you've been looking for a simple copy folder button, you won't find one. The good news is that there's a reliable workaround, and that's exactly what we'll use here. Once you're in Google Drive, click on My Drive in the left-hand column. This will show you the folders and files stored in your main drive area. Find the folder you want to copy, then click the three dots next to that folder to open its options menu. From that menu, click Download. Google Drive will begin preparing the folder for download, and in most cases, it will compress the folder into a zip file. Depending on the size of the folder, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time if needed. After the download is complete, go to your computer's files and locate the zip file you just downloaded. The next step is to unarchive or extract that zipped file. This is important because Google Drive won't treat the compressed zip file the same way as a normal folder upload. Once extracted, you should have a regular folder on your computer containing all the original contents. Now head back to Google Drive. You're going to upload that extracted folder as a new version, which effectively creates a copy of the original folder in your drive. In Google Drive, click the New button in the top left corner. A menu will appear with several upload and creation options. From that menu, choose Folder Upload. This tells Google Drive that you want to upload an entire folder, not just individual files. When your file browser opens, select the unarchived folder you extracted on your computer, confirm the upload, and Google Drive will begin uploading the folder and all of its contents. Once the upload finishes, you'll have a copied version of the original folder in your drive. If the folder is large, the upload may take some time, so be patient and keep your browser open until it completes. And that's it. That's the easiest workaround for copying a Google Drive folder when a direct duplicate option isn't available.